Hello Year 4 and welcome to your Friday maths lesson. As it usually is at school, today is a times table lesson day, and at the moment we're working on our 9 times table. So let's have a look at what we're going to do. The first thing I want to recommend to you is times table songs on YouTube. You can just type in the search bar 9 times table songs and it will come up with all sorts of suggestions. See how many you can find. These are just screenshots of 2 that I've found. I particularly like the one at the top up here. See if you can find that one. Have a look at the numbers on the screen. How many of them are actually in the 9 times table? Pause the video and have a look. Right, let's have a look at the answers. Yeah, it's those 4 numbers there. We have 81, which is 9 times 9. 36 is 4 times 9. 72 is 8 times 9, and 54 is 6 times 9. Well done if you got those right. Now today you've got the opportunity to play some times table games. I found a couple that I think you might like. The first one's called Hit the Button and it's one of my favourite games. All you have to do is go to Google and just search for the words hit the button and it should be the first one that comes up. This is what the page looks like. And I can actually show you now what the game looks like here. So we click on times tables because that's what we're working on, although you could play it with all sorts of other things as well. And we would choose the 9 times table this week. So if I click on the 9s, basically what happens is they put up all of the answers to the 9 times table and then they'll show me a question and I have to work out which answer it is and hit the right number. So the first one that's come up is 9 times 9. So I've got to find 81. There it is. And you just tap it. If you've got a tablet, you can tap on it with your finger. If not, you can use your mouse. 4 times 9 would be 36. And you see how many you can score before this timer at the bottom runs out. So I think you'll enjoy that game. The second one that I want you to have a look at is a times table grid. Now, this one isn't so easy to find on Google, so I've put the link in Google Classroom for you. It looks a lot like a multiplication grid that we use at school. So we click next, we need the 9 times table, and next again. And you can choose whether you want to play against the clock or whether you want to play with no timer at all. And it shows you what to do. You've got a times table grid here from 1 to 10 across the top, 1 to 10 down the bottom, and you need to work out where 18 would be. So I know that 18 is 2 times 9, so I click that square and that's where it belongs. So where's 36? Well, 36 is 4 times 9, so I go along to 4 and down to 9, or down to 4 and along to 9, and there we go. I hope you enjoy that one as well. The last thing we want you to do today is your My Maths task. So there's a 9 times table lesson on My Maths if you want to go through that, or you can go straight to the homework that we've set you. The first question is just the 9 times table. So it's working out the answers. Remember to use your finger trick if you need it. You just fill in all of the answers and then remember to press the Mark It button, if I move myself out of the way. The Mark It button at the bottom. The second part of this task is a beat the clock game. So this game is worth 10 points. You've got 2 minutes to try and get at least 15 questions right. So I'll just show you what it looks like. All it does, it gives you the question there. How many 9s are in 81? Well, that's 9. And then you press Mark It as soon as you're done. And then it goes on to the next question. 2 9s. Okay, that's 18, you mark it, and your timer goes along the bottom here. And remember, you can have as many goes at this as you want. So that's it for today. Have a go at a couple of games, do your My Maths, and then you're done. Have a lovely weekend, and I'll see you on Monday.